Hello kids, welcome to Mam TV. I am Mam Fakhra, your teacher. Today we learn about healthy food. Are you ready? Let's start. First one is water. Second is milk. Third is coffee. Fourth one is green tea. Fifth one is shake. Next is strawberry. Next is grapes. Next is watermelon. Next is pineapple. Next is mango. Next is avocado. Next is kiwi. Next is lime. Next is cucumber. Next is tomato. Next is broccoli. Next is spinach. Next is apple. Next is banana. Next is sweet potato. Next is walnut. Next is cashews. Next is salmon. Next is chickpeas. Next is coconut. Next is quinoa. Next is brown bread. Next is boiled egg. Next is oatmeal. Next is honey. Next is dates.